In the same way that weather and seasons are ever changing, so is our industry. We are standing in the middle of a paradigm shift when it comes to how we produce. And at the center, we have Industry 4.0. You've all heard about this before. People are talking about it more than ever. What does it really mean? Search results are speaking for themselves. Core of Industry 4.0 is connectivity, connecting all machines and systems so everything can communicate with each other. And more importantly, empowering our employees, giving them access to the information that they need. But why is this important?
It saves you money, time, effort, and waste.
But even if you knew all of this before, the more important question is, how do you move forward? How do you achieve this digital transformation?
When you partner with us, you get a digitalization method. We call it our digitalization wheel. This framework makes your transformation from edge to cloud smooth and crystal clear. It works like this. Connect your machines to get data. Model your data in the unified namespace. Store your data in the cloud. Visualize real-time data and take control. Optimize your process with data.